My name is Joseph Gambrell. I am from Mason City, Iowa, and I am currently a student for IST, or Industrial Systems Technology, at NIAC. I chose the IST program because it was a better fit for me. It was more using computers, so it was hands-off, but hands-on electronics. I knew the IST program was right for me because I have previous experience with it. It interests me, and I'm having a great time learning more. What I've learned about my abilities and skills since I've been in the program would have to be I've gotten better. And I didn't know I knew as much, but it also showed how much I didn't know and how much I could learn. I'd have to say, after being in the Industrial Systems program at NIAC, I am more than ready to enter the workforce with the skills that they've given me.